Good morning all of you. Today I am Hassan Ali from Bhartiye Art Handicraft. Today I bought a couch for you. You can see this couch. The wood of this couch is teak wood, MP teak. You can see the dark color of MP teak and see the grains which is visible in teak natural polish. As you can see, this is manufactured in Bhartiye Art Handicraft and having a lots of carving. Diwan is having a lots of design, but this design is having a much more carving than the other couch. You can see the design of the leg and the front design of this couch. This work is done by hands. You can see if you have any query, you can contact us on a number given below in description. Please do comment. Thank you.